Dan Sweet Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. The GI bins, they just added a couple more franchisees in West Michigan over the last couple weeks. Welcome Tyler and Jeff and Taylor. Looking forward to helping GI bins grow their empire. And then they've got Benches here, which is out of Alberta, Canada. And they're headed back up for another 2.5 day drive to get home. And they're going to be starting their business as of Monday up there. And going to have their trailer wrapped locally. We actually do all the wraps are available and all that here. And yeah, looking forward to working with them, help them grow their business. And we're always accessible. One thing you'll hear is that 7 days a week, me and my sales teams are available for any kind of tech support, any kind of sales assistance. We've got the multitasking rig, so you can do trash bin cleaning. We got a local guy doing 450 trash bins a day at a waste facility, and other systems you couldn't do 450 in a 7-day week. So being able to have the kind of cleaning power that we have, the wastewater recycling filtration, eliminating the need to stop every hour or two to dump your wastewater and refill your tank, which can take easily an hour or more to refill your tank. And this is self-contained wastewater recycling filtration. Filtering the wastewater and recycling allows you to reuse that same water over and over and over again. We have a 94 million square foot VOC filter on here that allows you to filter the odors out, so it's odorless cleaning. We're down to 5 micron, which is 10 times smaller than microscopic starts at, which is closer to 50 micron, 45 micron. So you do not see any kind of particles in the water. It's invisible to the human eye. And then we come up with that. Our filters are lasting an average of 7 months on a contractor that have these huge contracts. We also have them that has a city contract with 21,000 trash bins, multiple waste facility contracts, and literally hundreds of residential customers. Plus they do residential and commercial pressure cleaning services, soft washing. We have soft wash systems that are 55-gallon tanks that you blend sodium hypochlorite water and a surfactant, and you ever do house washing, even building washing like our building here can be cleaned. Another profit center, we have surface cleaners starting at 8-inch diameters, 12-inch, 16-inch, 21-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, all the way up to 48-inch and even 60-inch wide double spray bar surface cleaner. And we have the power to run that. Not a lot of the power washers in the industry actually can support that kind of cleaning power. We've got it all day long. So our clients are actually cleaning 6-car driveways in 7 to 10 minutes. I mean, when you stop and do 2-3 trash bins at a homeowner at a home, and someone, hey, how much you clean my driveway? Jump out there, make an extra $300 in 10 minutes or less, and you're out at your next house. You could do that all day long. I'm not passing up $300 for a driveway cleaning that takes me 10 minutes. You know what I mean? So all the support in the world, anything and everything you need, we're here to help you, support you. Like I said, tech support is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Any kind of marketing support, any help on city contracts or waste company contracts, retailers, you name it, we can really help provide you the full turnkey package. I've got 35 years experience manufacturing pressure cleaning systems, wastewater recycling system, fleet washing equipment, sales manager as chemical sales manager for a chemical company. My sales team actually owns trash bin cleaning systems, and they actually can give you one-on-one advice on how to do it, operations, make this into a huge empire for yourself in your local market. 877-699-0755. The phone number, website is trashbincleanersdirect.com. And the email direct is info@trashbincleanersdirect.com. And also, if you go to @trashbincleaners on YouTube, you can get to my YouTube channel with 1,700 demo and training videos. Everything covered from trash bin cleaning, pressure washing, fleet washing, so, you name it, it's all there. Thanks again. Looking forward to hearing from you. Love to earn your business.